Hey everybody, Tim Kalick, Jim Shorkey, Mitsubishi, right here in North Huntington. Today I wanted to talk about your Tech Tip Tuesday. I wanted to talk about some of these systems on these vehicles. The technology is just advancing so fast. These systems on these vehicles require special equipment to actually service them. So even something as simple as a brake job now, a lot of these vehicles have electronic rear parking brakes. You need special tools, you need special equipment, you need computers to actually put these vehicles into service mode to be able to service these brakes. And I just want to let you know, here at Jim Shorkey Mitsubishi, we have all the latest equipment. All of our technicians are trained to be able to work on these vehicles. This caliper right here came from another shop where they attempted to replace the rear brakes on, and as you can see, they damaged this caliper beyond repair, so this is actually going to have to be replaced. So whenever you're ready for service, give us a call, 724-863-0600, and we're here waiting for you.